Het is time! Het is GPD time! Hey, welcome back people to a new video of the Wicked Gamer and Collector! And in this video, yes, it's again GPD time! And we're going to test out just Android games. How are these games running on the GPD? Because the GPD is a multifunctional product that runs old games up to Android games. So yeah people, let's take a closer look. How are even the normal games running? And for the first game we are going to try out Riptide. It's a wave race or a racing game, let's put it that way. And it's a really nice 3D graphical game. Which you already can see in this demo, it runs just perfectly. No frame drops and it's running really smooth. So yeah, beside the point it runs old games, you can also play some Android games. So that's really nice. And it's time for some beach buggy racing. Damn, this thing got a really nice tune. Where's the gas button? Ah. Robot invader. Alright. I didn't play the game before, so I have really no clue what it is. What is this? Is it normal that I don't see myself? I think it is not normal. And for the final game we're going to try out Trial Extreme 2. Epic fail. Alright people, yeah, that's really nice that basic games up to very high graphical 2D games are running perfectly on the GPD. These games were pre-installed on the system, so if you're asking from, hey, how did you get these games? I want to thank you for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more awesome Wicked videos. Hi fellow YouTubers, I want to thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Yes, and you also can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, yeah, don't give a shit about Twitter. But Instagram, I make pretty picture and I send on Instagram. So yeah, follow me.